Greetings from Saigon. I'm at the Thanh Market in DC 1. So let's have a little tour here. It's something that you guys will come and visit because it's just so centrally located and they sell all kinds of stuff like the Vietnam products, the food, the even durians and the fruit juice. Right over there, I see the durians. Let's check out Saigon Square. This is the downtown Saigon Ho Chi Minh City District 1. Lots of shopping here. Has bags, luggage, shorts, electronic stuff. They don't have the price stated, but I guess you can ask them. I would say the sellers here are less pushy than those in the Thanh Market. And there's aircon here, so it's much more comfortable experience to shop here regardless of day or night. Go rain, have rain or no rain. Ladies clothes, the ao yai, the men's clothes. There's even the caps, luggage bags, and the briefcase, laptop bags. From the Saigon Square, all you need to do is cross a small road and you reach this Takashimaya and Saigon Center is a shopping center with lots of stuff, interesting restaurant and shopping. So let's check it out. Saigon Center has lots of shopping and restaurants, so come here to get an experience of it. The international brands are the Gap and also the local brand, the Typo. The next place you should come to Saigon and visit is the Central Post Office. Look at the architecture, the green windows, the colorful flags on top, and the French architecture. It's free entry. They open every day from Monday to Sunday. And lots of people are taking the beautiful selfies just outside the Central Post Office. And they also stores selling souvenirs. And then opposite there's a Virgin Mary. I'll go over later. And from here you can walk to many tourist attractions like the Nguyen Hue Walking Street, Vietnam Center, the Dong Khoi area for shopping, Lê Thanh Thôn, and even the Times Square right there. Alright, just a few meters away from the Saigon Central Post Office is a Notre Dame Cathedral. You can actually stand here and take some photos. And there's a street food. They're selling some stuff there. After that, this side will be the boot street of Saigon. It's actually just a few hundred meters, but on both sides they have the books. It's also free entry, so just feel free to come. Right here is the Park Seng Shopping Center. It's just very near the Saigon Central Post Office, and right here is also the Vincom Center. These two shopping centers are very like upscale and top-notch in District 1. And from here you can walk to the Nguyen Hue Walking Street and also the People Committee. Just diagonally across the Vincom Center will be the Union Square Shopping Mall. You can come here and shop. There are lots of upscale shopping there, like Pocari, Bibigari, Cartier Watch, and then opposite the Union Square is the People's Committee Lê Thanh Thôn in District 1. Look at the buildings, it's actually very beautiful. And you can also look at the Saigon traffic while you're here. The lights start to light up around 5:30 p.m. Later at night it will be more fascinating. And on the other side is the Bui Vien Walking Street and the Ho Chi Minh statue you're going to see right now. Alright, I'm standing just opposite the People's Committee, Lê Thanh Thôn right here. You know, in special days they have the 3D artworks displayed on the screen. And look at that. So many beautiful flowers, red, orange. I've seen people that pluck the flowers as well. I don't think it's advisable at this point because sometimes there may be policemen around. And there are some Vietnamese work right here. And now let's go over in front and go and pay some respect to Uncle Ho, the Bak Ho, the monument, the square in front. So right in front of me is the first president of the Vietnam. He was born in 1890 and then he passed away in 1969. His name is Mr. Ho Chi Minh, and ironically, coincidentally, the name is the same as the city here. His CMC, Ho Chi Minh City, also the older name is called Saigon. So once you're done visiting the Angkor statue, just cross over to this little street here and you see the beautiful fountain. But then you you stop the water at about 10 p.m. So you just need to come earlier. You can sit at this little long kind of bench and have some street snack while observing the traffic here. And then you can even take the Hall bus for 145,000. We bring you one round the city for 45 minutes and then you can come back to the starting point here. I'm now at the Nguyen Hue Walking Street. Look at the fountain in front, so it's just a short distance. The time now is 6 p.m. It's a long walking street. People jog here. Take a couple of show. They're having some kind of snacks there. And on both sides of Nguyen Hue Walking Street, there are actually restaurants and 3 to 5 star hotel. If you walk all the way in front, you can go to see the ferry and the river where the flags are. There's the Bat Dang wharf, and then from there you can catch a ferry to the neighboring islands, like the Vũng Tàu and the Con Tàu Island, which is about 2 hours ferry ride away. And you know what? At night, right? There'll be people playing some games here, like the shuttlecock. I mean, they only come here when it's not raining, and now it's a rainy season, so I just pray that tonight there's no rain, because it's been raining the whole afternoon. So, but the ground is actually like kind of dry already. So I guess the prayers will come out at about like 9 p.m. and they pray all the way to like 11:30 or even midnight. So there's a all sightseeing bus I mentioned earlier. They're bringing one round around Saigon. So you're already at Nguyen Hue Walking Street, right? You just look for the Circle K or the Kemptang Kali and then come to this cafe apartment at 42 Nguyen Hue. It's free entry, but then if you want to take the lift, you go up with 3,000 dong. But you can take unlimited times. So there are actually restaurants and shops selling some stuff there. I went there a couple of times. And if you're here also, even you're alone, you can take some beautiful selfies. And right here in front is the Sanghua Tower, Citibank. It used to be Citibank, but now they changed to UOB. If you want a break, you can just come here, sit at the sidewalk and look at the Saigon traffic. In Vietnam, motorbikes are the norm. Look at that, there's over 30 motorbikes right now waiting for the green light. If you are looking for a cool hotel, you can stay at this Kim Do Royal Hotel Saigon. They have their own royal coffee, and this is the menu. I mean, the prices are quite reasonable, 69,000, and then one night stay is about 1.5 million Vietnam dong for one double bedroom. 2 people can share it. Or if you want something more classy, up class, you can stay at the Rest Hotel. It's 5-star hotel. 9 dog, by the way. Inside Saigon Center now, there are lots of stuff here. You know, the Dior, Christian Dior Paris, Kenzo, Moschino. There's even the Hublot, the watches. There's some kind of fair here, Journey to the Moon. They're selling some kind of mooncakes. Wow. Greetings from Saigon, Vietnam. Today I'm at the Bui Vien Walking Street. Today is a weekday evening, about 7:45 p.m. So let's check it out. Wow, I can hardly hear myself and look at the Vietnam flags above. One thing about the restaurant here, they are very like decorative in the style where the traditional Ao Yai is really like beautiful. There's even vegetarian food here. And lots of foreigners like to hang out here. It's like their hometown, and then they just drink and then they just eat here. Oh, I saw a fire show in front. Let's check out, it's from a lady. Wow! You can feel the heat from here. Staff actually quite friendly. She waved to me. And there's a hotel here. And then in front there are a few more restaurants and even 7-Eleven. Be careful and walk here because petty theft, snatch thief and so on, it happens in every part of the world. Just be careful, don't flash your jewelry, don't wear too much gold ring and jewelry and take out your money, everything. There's an Indian restaurant, Papaji. And there's a chicken rice stall, all my favorite.